Hello everyone. Want to master any concept quickly? Try the Feynman technique, a simple but powerful way to understand and remember information. Step 1. Choose a concept. Start by picking a concept you want to learn. It could be anything from physics to history. Step 2. Teach it. Write down the concept as if you're teaching it to a child. Use simple language and break it down into basic terms. This forces you to understand the concept deeply and identify any gaps in your knowledge. Step 3. Identify gaps. Review your explanation and spot any parts where you struggle or lack clarity. Go back to your source material to fill in these gaps. Step 4. Simplify and refine. Rewrite your explanation in even simpler terms, using analogies or examples if possible. This makes the concept easier to grasp and remember. Step 5. Review and teach again. Teach the refined explanation to someone else or just review it yourself. The more you teach and revise, the better you'll understand and retain the information. And that's the Feynman technique, a quick and effective way to deepen your understanding. If you found this tip helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome study hacks. Happy learning!